Okay, welcome to math. We are going to do some finger flashes real quick. So, quick, everybody show me 5 the fast way. Okay, now show me 5 more the fast way. Okay, now put your hands on. Show me 1 the math way. Okay, now I want you to show me 5 more. So, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, right? Okay, but is there a faster way to do that? Sure. So we have 1, show 5 more. Woo! Now we know 1 and 5 makes 6. Say that with me. 1 and 5 makes 6. So you don't have to sit there and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that this whole hand is 5. So I don't have to think about that. I can just flash it up and then I know what I have. Okay, so now everybody show me 2. Okay, show me 5 more. 2 and 5 makes 7. Good job. Say that with me. 2 and 5 makes 7. Good job. Show me 3 the math way. Okay, show me 5 more. Very good. Now think of your number sentence. Think first. Ready? Let's say it. 5 and 3 makes 8. Very good. Show me 4. Show me 5 more. Think first. Ready? 5 and 4 makes 9. All right, very good. Today you are going to need to have 4 of something. I have 4 Legos. You can have 4 Barbie shoes. You could have 4 whatever, just 4 anything. And then you're also going to need just like a little piece of paper or a mat that you're going to drop it on. Okay, don't make it very big. You could even use like a card, like let me see here, Mrs. White will get it. And then you need a piece of paper. So if you don't have those things, go grab those real quick and then pause me and then come back. So I'm going to use this as this is just like a little envelope. So it doesn't have, just something little. And then you need a piece of paper that you're going to write on. And you need 4 objects. Okay, once you have those, you can press play again, but pause me first. Go get 4 just little objects and a mat that you're going to drop them on and a paper you're going to write your sentences on. Okay, we've done this before. What you're going to do is you're going to drop them. Okay, and you can see that I have 2 on the mat. Can you see that? And I have 2 off of the mat. So now I'm going to write a number sentence. I have 2 on the mat and 2 off the mat makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to shake it up, I'm going to drop it on the mat. Ooh. Okay. Now I have, I had 3 on the mat and 1 off of the mat. So now I'm going to write a sentence. 3 on the mat and 1 off the mat makes 4 every single time. Okay, and then I'm going to pick them all up, shake them, drop. Okay, now I got 1 off and 3 on again. Okay, so I'm going to write the number sentence again, even though I've written it before. 3 and 1 makes 4. And I'm going to do it again. Woo! This time I have 2 and 2. Okay, you're going to keep doing that. Okay, have your parent set the timer, and I want you to do it for 1 minute and 30 seconds and get as many ways to make 4 as you can. Okay, so pause me and do this game real quick for 1 minute and 30 seconds and then come back to me. Okay, so pause me right now, have your parents set the timer, and do this real quick. All right, that's our fluency game for today. Okay, once you get that done, you are back to me, and let's see now. We are going to talk about ways to make 10. Listen carefully to my story. So get out a piece of paper and listen carefully to the story. Are you ready? Nancy has 10 beans. 10. Write it in your tens frame, please. She picked up 6 in one hand and 4 in the other. How many beads does she have? Still 10, right? Very good. And how many did she pick up in the first hand? 6. How many are in the second hand? 4. Very good. Very good listening. Okay, now I want you to draw the beans she had in each of her hands. So how can we show a difference between the two colors of beans, or the two hands? We're going to color some in. That's right. So if the first hand is how many? 6. So we're going to color in 6 of those beans. Okay, so you have your tens frame. We're drawing 10 beans. Okay, and she had 6 in one hand. And then she had 4 in the other hand, so we're leaving those blank. Okay, are you with me? Remember this? Okay, now, very good. Now I would like you to put that in a number bond. Okay, so you're going to draw your circles. I don't know why this is being... So what's our whole number? How many beans do we have? 10. Okay. She had 6 in one hand and 4 in the other hand. All right, now we're going to write it in a number sentence, but we're going to write it like I told the story. So what number did I start with? I said she had what? 10 beans. So what number are we going to use first? 10. Makes how many in the first hand? 6. And how many in the second hand? 4. Okay, so then there's our number sentence. Okay, we started with the number that I gave you first. Makes 6 and 4. Okay, yes? Did we get there? Okay, we got there. Very good. All right. Listen to our next story. Ready? Shelley has 8 presents. 8. Her friend gave her 2 more presents. So how are you going to show that those are different? We're going to color some of those in to show the difference, right? Okay. How many presents does she have in all? Okay, now you have your picture drawn. Yes? Okay. Now, you're going to write your number sentence, but I want it to reflect my story. So what did I say at the beginning? I said Shelley had 8 presents. So what number is going to go first? 8. Okay, then how many did she get? 2 more makes, and then your whole number. Okay, got it? All right, very good, very good. I'm going to show you a worksheet. I'm going to try to show you a worksheet. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to screenshot it and put it on there with this video on Dojo. I want you to do those problems and work through those problems on a piece of paper. I don't need you to draw, there's like rockets and this kind of thing. I only want you to draw circles, okay? You do not need to draw the rockets and all that. All you need to do is draw the circles and then write the number sentences that go with that. Okay, your parents will read you the stories, and to be honest, most of you could probably read the stories all by yourself. All right, so that's what we're doing for math today. If you have not got on to Freckle yet, you need to get on to Freckle and get the math done at least, okay? If you have made it onto Freckle, I'd like you to get in and do about 15 to 20 minutes of Freckle every single day. I'm going to be checking that. I can see exactly how you've done. So if you're just going in there pushing buttons and not paying attention to what you're doing, I'm going to be able to tell. Okay? And so make sure that what you're doing, I can see what problems you're getting wrong, I can see what problems you're getting right, and I can see what we need to work on. So make sure that you're going in there and you're doing your best work. Get the math done first, and then if you have some time left, you can go and do the reading stuff. Okay, and I'll assign assignments to you as we go through that as well. So you're going to do this math worksheet that I'm going to attach to Dojo, and then you are also going to get onto Freckle and log in about 15 minutes of time there, just getting it and clicking away. If you want to do more time than 15 minutes, so be it. Have fun, enjoy it, okay? But 15 minutes for sure, okay? All right, there you go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope you get outside in this beautiful, beautiful weather. All right, see ya.